Here is another one of those questions that might be difficult for me to answer because I couldn't find any building codes specifically for this particular stairway design when trying to figure out the clear width of the stairway. Now I have a minimum distance from here to here of 3 foot 1 inch. So we're going to meet the minimum clear width building code requirements for any buildings with less than 50 occupants. However, if we were dealing with a stairway with more than 50 occupants, the minimum width is usually going to be 44 inches. And according to everything I understand, you are not going to have a problem with the clear width measurement for this particular stairway design. However, you could have a problem with the grippable handrail distance, or you might be required to install a handrail up the center of the stairway. Because if I'm walking over here, or right up the middle of the stairway, I'm not going to be able to reach over and grab the grippable handrail. And if I was to walk up or down the stairway on this side or this side, I could actually have a problem up here. In other words, I'm going to need to concentrate on where my feet are being positioned, which leads me to believe that this area here, along with this area here where you can't reach the handrail, could create a safety problem for the stairway. And I wouldn't recommend designing a stairway like this or building one because of those issues. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.